Kikero meya megulu lier matek meteto lokum lalono matika mieto kato kapia komone idago matiba deke la ipi division ni wabikiliman kimken mampol matuti yup melokange mojin.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Meya Megulu City Alfred Dukwati liero matek bolwak Pilanyalo na mamiero keto kapia komone dago Igulu City.
We want to send very clear signal that any attempt on any wetland in Igulu City is an attempt.
Dano mai Bulambuli district mapara por komgen guno kony kiwa dulmi Caritas itoro ikino berieli miwilu jami ya chama kidonje mokene mamite kwa.
Support that can take these families at least for a month.
Amori afuere bekwedwe wa otiano matien kaneno yup melokange mochuin kiwan luo television ania Sunday akumo. Dano magiluenyo ikom lok mabola kabir marum wa Igulu City gemiane wala nyalo nyamin mochako onyo kuyo kidong kabir tike yubo kabir mepie komo ingom matida kwa Igulu City ni ojoke wako chuo tipian kapere tiloka obodogo te karumeno ginwa ni mona nyalo ni manti mero yubo kapie komo ne toki teng Sinibel supermarket makabir mo biru dago gindong meti bene meya madit Igulu City man Alfred kwa omiero luonka choke me kansila toro waki kwan wako mok mai katikwere ikanseli ni ndepirwa bor medima pau ya chel imwakani enim wanen kong report matut kom lokman kibot Ismail Jacob Jones
inino de pierriwe boro medwe ma pau ya chel kanchil pegamete mete der me Igulu City gutie ko katiki mok ma meggi ma ye kila nya don lobo megge to petrol station yukapi mo ingom mo beru dago idie Igulu City ente yonge katiki mok man kan chil gutie ko no chaj matek total ki bot dan ma pat magen ki luanye kom gwa ko kaberu marumuwa ma kingi benetielo chunwi bie mogom dana magi mo kene kon gen getika kok iko mea Igulu City ni ene nge peroman.
From that time up to now, Mayor have not acted until yesterday, but when Okelo is arrested and is coming to go to the radio to defend. And yet they have made their position this year very clear.
We have put tarmac on the road. We have put road paver on the roadside. We have built tall building. Now, in the day like this, the sun heat will be absorbed in the building, and that's why when you put your bed next to the wall where it is the sun radiation is hitting, you will be sweating. Now, when we destroy this wetland, we shall lose all the opportunity, the shock absorber that should absorb the urban heat phenomena.
That was given on the 25th of March, which was violated on the 30th of November by the developer. So, on behalf of the residents of Igulu City, we want to send very clear signal that any attempt on any wetland in Igulu City is an attempt on the future of Igulu City, and we will defend the last bit.
Tony Kitara ente la pirida dak benete ngara chel maluanyo ikom dana magen gibado kaberu marumuwa kao nyoro chwe chwinye
ni miri odoni yewe okon pene ni ken marachi lok mareo lok ko mok ma city council go mo ma ere yo mi oker ku kelu ma chapa mede ki gerune ichabet ma okarni an masala ana nani mok enuni mok ma lo councilors ma city wenti ye ma pete ngara mo tempache ki ye ni weklo wore yo nen rach en pitien lok enuni en yo mi wan la wo ma waneno Mega FM bukaro chel pa la dit mea ni obebero kaloke mega chaka chari o cha der si ara kwani si makoyo ki manager me mega awachene ujok loke enoni bien ange ni ko ambe cher kalok en loke mono kata kere preso ne ngamer kwa ki o kwa ene la dit we city mok ma jono mogoni kilwo ke le morne a council resolution ma is binding on kwa and all his councillors
Kitara dong wajane kede petni kitiako joko dong fudong getu kapimo man otiero ngoma gen giti kamito ne kit machalo gero no do chakenim
ma wonum pok ngej kilwa atil kilo adek teken machel enni wan wacho warga wa miyo lega ki radit Lawrence kelo ki company ma mege me city oil ni miyo kwanyo tichoko ki wetland ki uchok jamiti jiwa ki mutano wen ki nge uroj kenyo ki kwanyo mara mono eno onye idago ane an kwanyo lutiche ane an mutaka dong pere ene wan foyo ento ma dite ma do dong ene loku maram eno onyo ni umerni okelo ki company ni go kwanyo maram eno ni ogo wek wan kulu ni do dago eno yopo dojo kar
kitung chel Patrick Wala Lumumba me ame ba dege levi division bene utioko katiki duane ikom ngoma ke team yunge mok pa council Megulu City
a council resolution which is in content or contrary to existing laws. The existing law of NEMA is very clear. No one will sublet, give out, or rent a wetland. And therefore, having been compromised, which all of us knows the bribe that took place, they were there, they made this stupid decision. And the man, weak as he is, can't be that incompetent human being that cannot address this matter by calling another emergency full council meeting, causing, the revocation of the decision that was made, revoking the decision that was made and rescinding, and then even putting his council in order. It is a foolery, as usual, for the mayor to turn around and start to claim he's mobilizing people, to undo what is in that wetland. When he should be at the lead, he have the authority, he was sworn in,
And the car me gamu lok ma mege Alfredo Kwa Matie me Megulu City wajene ngara chelo miro makatal ma mege dok bene dano mo ken magen gitime ne gilwani kom kabero marum wa teki mira me chunwi bie kageto mo man tie pa Lawrence Ukelo matie ki kapi mo ma mege makloni all energy matie yo chachamel beka yo ma ake Gulu Town Chero e Juba Ismail Jacob Jones pe Wanlo Television e Gulu City
Dul padana marama gen miya chel pier bichelu angwen gi ticket meteorology Megulu City nyim court elokom megoe wak oir magen ke yobo chuk make me dong me duro me karman chuk makelu ni chuk man chuk kasubi ya chake me duen ene gen guru nyugo chere office of president Yoweri Museveni gi kok ne mondo tela Megulu City council ge mer wa gen wako yob me dongo chuk man manonge bade kala ibi division ne chuk man biak nende gi chako yopune due me achel me mwaka manyene dok dul me UN me ye chilling billion achel tona biro me duro me ket matiko karaman me yubu dok chuk me roma malo en hotel do dok yema poli kum dano machon go gero olok ama meki chuk ni ene kilotela Megulu City Council Robert Ojok Mone kele Lokman Kumbiti kore ki kore
Richard Ukerayot tikaran malolo kumfu igamente Megulu City mayan wachi ko paluak mo kibidor ye wen kore ki kore
kicharo dwe machi PhD mo na obera no dar complain ikira tie jo man magilunga ne developer jo be me chukke ne cha chiwa tika me ne katon club do che saber na ne amela longe ya rata ke diwa win kam tamge kita pota winyo mato we magen waje ne gen kibero dal pa kenyo ege me an position de council beter ni kirang majara town club ke komako kisa watama ni no karwata kerkitie no mirumea betie mea city
chuk makilwoni Gulu modern market manonge kasubi wat ibadela ibi division ki yabo kine mwaka liba chiel ki mia bungwen pier ngwen mia boro kuni noni ki yubu uri matitian me dukani ye marom mia pier bero ya bishel kwe noni jo magi maki mini gi ngom man pigu beru ki winye moke ken maki kerye ching mapat ki receipt maki ngolo michulo pi plot matikine alib mia chiel pier beach
Malika is a project money the project affected people near Kikaki Penkin Yang development. One of developing this area. Wakero can a year individually. So got development money take up when it comes in don't get outdated Kimiru Naki Kato can Kikaru pay. One bin
Anya Olga Woma Ati Gangati Kapiruponke ba dige na yibi division an ayubu lock up ani kitian lock ni okwanya kile tiang piana ti kile tiang tich makiluo kanyo ti ngo buwa mierwano bien ba nong don loko nong be dongi otikile tin ti an ma chal Olga anem ni be wan po kwa don lo pa Uganda wa po de kwa be don loko ichokwani gulu modern market gena wan mir ke kan ni lu diro ma mewa ma chalu city council go bin gu locate wa stakeholders wen go bin gu mi wa tam wa ba nen yu me ma be
anya ki do ne ko ya santo komboni atie ki lockup no mega rio ara no ni piere ta ni lo lodge me gu sito mer gu bin go rate ko wa bana ne wan wa chao teach ki area na eni don kare ma large ma peke romo from nowhere chiki bionu do waje ne ayogo wakichingu no tika chalo an ma logo ne konkar ma ge yubo santa voya road lockups ma mega maromo hario ka actual lockups are there ma ke mugo ma peke me wachana mo ye kun chero gera gen kitika waje ne lock up no mero do dako de ching ba dege by there ento inoni agreement mo ma wan wa keru ye chingwa ki ba dege kar cha no biru pege manyuru ne bi beru pe kar ne eni chi dong toer pa lock up ki bori dako dong bor division chi do biru pege
pi wan luo TV and Robert Mone ki Gulu City.
Lotela padul mamiyo kony bolo tiano magidel tiano kilo pero kiluni SOS Children's Village Mati Gulu City kujolo kiyo mchuin kony mo akibo dul mo meme limited magumi bod gin machelo yo chel me yupo gen mek chako kwan beto twale mwaka manyen alibero pirwa beach dul mo meo miyo jame kwan mati wilme chilling million pier beach ya dek dok yu jaman kimiyo bolo loch me SOS Children's Village Mati Gulu City Jadek wanen report ikom Yupman kibot la George Pawan Luo TV David Magere.
Lutela Mesos Children's Home Matie Gulu City gujolo kiyom twin mich ma umeme miyo bodgi machalo yu achel ma obukonyo gi miyo kony madoke kom kwan bol luteno magi gwoho kunu umeme omiyo jemi kwan ma wele tie wa chilling million pier bich wiade ki luteno magi tie igwok pach sos Children's Home Matie Gulu City ichia dek la woro malube gi lok ma a ki bol lutela me umeme gen gu wajoni gitamu ni umier gi dwok poj bol lujoma gena yelo customer gi dok gi yer juma pio dio gi machalo teno magi me miyo kony man Peter Kauju matila kublok ingat madol lok mecharo nyo head of communications and marketing ite dulme meme Uganda kulu kono mo ki wan Luo TV ni mit meno a ki chwinji gire me konyo teno magi.
And so we involve ourselves so much in sustainability programs because we want to see a changed community. We want to improve the environment of the people that we work with. So this is the second time we are coming to SOS Children's Home because there are quite a number of vulnerable children. So we just came with a humble sort of support of scholastic materials, books, sets, files, and all those. Last time we were here, we brought laptops, we brought utensils to support children in this home. And today we are very excited that we came again to deliver that kind of support to the children who are living here in the village, in the children's village, but also in the communities. So we brought some support and we continue to do that. We work with people in the communities to improve the environment where we live. We don't only supply power, but we believe that we need to give a hand, especially to vulnerable communities.
Stephen Tabu, Matingat Madoro, Sos Children's Home, Ngay Kuluni, Kono, Jolo Mitman, Yom Pon Moroni Mitman, Obikonyo, Lomadoki, Kompuan, Palutino.
So everyone that is involved, like the beneficiaries, will be able to get the books, and all the other materials that have been contributed goes directly to the children and young people.
How long have you been partnering with Omeme and perhaps maybe other organizations, and how has it contributed to the coexistence of the people you're taking care of in this institution?
This is our third year while Omeme has been supporting us, and I remember the first time it came at the time of COVID when everything was changing. They wanted laptops for students at university, and we did have quite a number of laptops. Omeme came in, supported us with over 40 million shillings contribution, and they delivered this in material form. So we got laptops, we got other necessities for the children, and it was a good experience.
Celestino Babunji, Mati Managing Director, Omeme Uganda, Kolukono, Iyupmeno, Wajini Michua, Ki Rach Malu teach Omeme Gurayo Gire, Kichwingi Duchu, Medwa for Board Joman.
What you have delivered here is not 100% from the company. It's a contribution of all the staff of Omeme. They have put together their resources because they remember the friendship they created with SOS. Many of whom would have been here, but they are well represented by the Gulu and Kitukum team. So I bring you greetings from the Omeme staff. They love you, they wish you well, and they are always available to support whenever they can. So what we brought you here this time was, we know education is much more important, so we have gone heavy on supporting you via education. And we believe, one area manager, that the small seed we have brought, it's a drop in the ocean, but I think it will plant some contribution in the life of the others.
Noni Sos Children's Home Tigang Madul Mo Yawogire Pecoin Lutino Magwak Lunyori Pe Lutino Ki Jo Magwak Lunyori Pero Magwak again Kidong Jo Mangi Mio Coin Mecholo Pequan Gwak Lutino Wagodong Ete Gwak Ma Megi Julugi Yo Mekwa Yo Medini Kinji Mukene Magen Gitemo Ilorangea Iwan Luo TV David Magere Igulu City.
Dul Madoro poko machiling tuiche lobo Uganda Man Electricity Regulatory Authority ira yo majiak gote yokume Uganda Roma Malo Board Dana Magiti District mekwania kapat ne mono kibiku Lion Mad Mabe Board Genno Kibitakrot ne Dreamia Chill emwaga manyene Mad Mawokili Raikwania Mecharia Pat me Oi Masindi Port Malupikilok Palotela Magiti Kon Kiper Mapol Dok Benetike Pol Mapol Mapor Americanani Kile Kakar Kimukane Manyen Kawek Macho Bet Kabir Mabe Pilwak Mai Kabiruman Daniel Olia Mati Principal Compliance Engineer Generation Owani Mono Kibineno Kinmekubo Kabirmana Bay Matmadi to work in any Kemio Mati Roma Malo Pilwak Magiti Kwania Kachilka Part District Jasper Iguel Tia Part Municipality.
Hotel me bo dul me Electricity Regulatory Authority me la donc ngio ko ticha kampuni papa mo mi giti me gaba match link to boto daro ikine kampuni me Omeme kere kita mau tadar ber kere kar mati kere maj o kat dong mati ko pe me mati leng tu chame jo amati kere mati lain na ya lira wor kwania kara pach na masin dipot ber ko yere alex to gara mo ber won kama deg me go male buya mati ya pa district en kono tiro kita me pe me mati leng tu chame ti odio jo ya pa tia me dong we ko me bia cara kere kita me man mir kon kere jo tia me dong ubala ta ha
ti chawane ti affecting jowa pindi jowa kene ame jo man me rea rural rectification agency obino peo ere me gori take to this permanent poles concrete poles gin take to yung keto dang jo kan ta wiring ko most especially gori village dang na tika no designing ko make it transformer na chane
ka menu machiling tu tia ma ramo ya pa du dok pe bere ke kar me ru nyi kita me bere ti me ke kar long acha dogi mere rata apol la me to be ko ti mo bia chare bale ogara o tiro kita me mach man nu bere ke kar me konyo to dero
chawan du lobo don ko kanu du jongo do do ti ko pe ma ana do ka ma chutie medo ruom me chato wil wor ko ne wo malo ha mi yo dan sha mo jomu kana ngi dang jodo mo kana chok ba che wan ti ke el center be me aga ade cha no el center be ko me dang du tiam to ma kendi jomu kana me dong sola perong manage
kar be diko me machiling tu chagoro tia duong bodjo amati apaj Daniel Olinga Mobile Principal Compliance Engineer Generation Dogbo with Dulme Electricity Regulatory Authority Pitung Malame Uganda and Otiro Pehame Bal Jam me match Amegin Nungo Bot Radar Mogamati Apach Polar Work T Gomalame Boyeng.
So when you look at this other side of Lango, there was a lot of vandalism that occurred on the line, especially after Apache Town towards the landing site. And because of that, it affected supply of electricity in that area.
Alex Sogora kono mobile won kama deng me gomale buye media pa district kaname hotelame electricity regulatory authority tie ke ko ni manu jam me mathematic kut na ha o tada ro berger kar me bal yora raj o gora ti rongo ame obin berger kare me timere
isha me kwa ko be mat me be yo ala ku o ma ci ele 2022 o obin bedo ke waya mo bin ko por ko pe tebru riyo ko ni mudu ta daro mo ko kri shego yo pasho ko actually yo tami report boro wana charo tela bin ko anyo kare me kubre kre jo mo meme me bes kitilira bin do ko yo bi tami bin ko anyi wayo eto kin tabi ri do nyo dane yo pasho mere yo ne tabi no oda kiti se let se ni ramu do ko che me to mo wayo ko me mi yo tu de ya bere an jo kene ya kene cha do to we ho na da action na genda do kwanya da pot pe a chela ria de kre ya kene da do kwanya wa me mi do num kreciente ni magi do horo kre la ento ngome te bi tiye officer DPC ke officer dishu te bi no rounding do na ko dishu kre wa ya ni ato ke la kana CPS kanu
kadang maro ke ken no berker kar me mako pi berker ching ibalo jam me machi ling twij ikine kwalo wa ya me mach kubu machi wi lui Daniel Olinga Mobile Principal Compliance Engineer Generation Doc Otero mahatala megamente utio keto ikori wi jomagi.
Yeah, the minimum charge for vandalism is 40 million Uganda shillings and 10 years in prison. But also, depending on the magnitude of vandalism, you could pay up to 1 billion and stay in prison for 12 years. So it's and these have been enshrined on the new Act of 2022. Therefore, we strongly advise the public not to engage in vandalism.
Julius Wandera, Mobile Director, Electricity Regulatory Authority. Ilokere kere chamu tamati ilango ipoyen marame dul manu yeho good news okte lamati lera city chengadek kunu tieme mi yo chamu tamati ilango berge kare menyang kita medul man tiu kere karmo penyekono kwaho peho me machi link to chamati line me ya lera wor kwania patch na machine depot.
We recognize the problem with the Lira Apache Masindi line. It's not a new problem. The problem we know, and the problem is that the line is old. It was constructed several years ago. But other than it being a very old line, it has also been devastated by endless activities of vandalism. And so because of that, the reliability of electricity supply on that line is really bad. It is something that we know and something that Umeme knows. However, the good news is that it is part of the projects that have been approved by the regulator for Umeme to undertake. So Umeme will be starting the process of rehabilitating and reconducting and reconstructing the line in its whole length as it stands. We are hoping that when this line is complete, probably in the first quarter of the new year, then the reliability of supply will be restored. At least this message, we got the confirmation from Umeme yesterday that they have started the process of packaging it in construction.
P1 Low Television, Jasper Guel, Ilera City.
Ingemuk pangomo kelo pero ke beneto padan mapoli Bulambuli district lotela mai Caritas Jaime Toro district go konyo dok pache makar gen 100 magiti kabero makelewoni mono Buluganya sub county ngen go miyo lim makom chenda kabero jemo ken me kone gen bedo ke ko mabeto twal kad bedo mangiti ke me per mapoli karmanti e pere paka bor kedong jeme go koleo me dano kachil kichame ken jemo kenem wachik report kom konyman kibo Jojo Fono yanawara kidul magi e Bulambuli district.
Lo machieng'no oyuok wi got Elgon kodi district ma Bulambuli onyalo rio min ma peshin wuoki chalina ang'wen ma Masugu, ma Molo, Tagalu kodi Nachiele manwang'ere Gombla ma Bulaganya kama gime otimere EM. Aka thoko district ma Bulambuli gebe gime onyalo ketho peshin maromo 230 letho makakare inwang'rok ni jipa jotho aka jimegi pama jungoe kodi kabedom. Pama nyosabitario manwang'ere ni ji maradesh me juntie iletho kodi rem makakare kanyo joyuako jipa joma jothoro lodio jo kanyachiel bende ngoye gi gira uram runwang'o ni lowo oyiko kisigi morom.
Bwok gimetimere ji mathoth swa majuti around ka jungo gigira tima, jungo gigira chama, jungo gikanindo nyaka jokwayo kanindo pajageri, jokwayo pawade pajo, nyo chemo bende pakinano chemo paka chemo mathoth kadho, jager be dia pere, so nyo chemo jaido nokri jo, ji kweth majorango gira chama, gira ruka inwango dhano bedo ndela dek, ginanga mo cheng no gongwecho gine, ama fugo fodite gine, ongo gira chama, ongo karakidha, onyo kama owachi ni government ripoteri e jikoro bor kichegin tek anyo dhano go kada gi transport ma kadho kirikoro jungo gi men wo ma wuotho kirikoro jungo e.
They are depending on their relatives. Without their relatives they could be now dead also.
Very difficult for them to get basic needs of life, things like soap and so on, because first of all everything was swept in their homes. So these people who survived ran and they were only surviving with the clothes that they were having in their body. Nothing else completely. So it is really a very difficult situation. So to get basic needs is a very difficult thing. So they are only relying on support from friends, relatives who can come in to support. People, well-wishers who can come in to support are the only option they have.
Letho me omiyo kitiba ma Caritas Tororo yombirok ma piyo kodi thiel manya pesa male konyo jome nyieo gi kipiny aora manyalo tero joma holo achiel kanyo adhuma e oganda timo chan makojo ikabedo manyien. Kisi pecho achiel ma ichunguru wi letho ma jokadho iye kodi welo ji mantie iye onyopa ma jonwang'o pesa ma kinene noka swa bedo singana 350 iwi pesa milion 100 maripere upoki mathielo jono ma jokadho idinyo mochalo gama thoko district ma Bulambuli gibem.
Basically we are looking at some support that can take these families at least for a month, and what we are doing is we are responding through what we call a multi-purpose cash response that gives you the beneficiary an opportunity to be able to plan and budget for your money, because people have different varying needs. What might seem as an issue to you, let's say food, might not be the same with the other family. So this multi-purpose cash basically gives you an opportunity to make choice of the kind of needs that are priority to you. And that is what basically we are doing, and we believe that our multipurpose cash is geared towards buying food, looking into food, shelter a little bit, non-food items, especially for those that lost their household items completely. We're also looking at medical in terms of painkiller for those that were injured in the process of either rescuing life, for them to be able to continue with medication.
Jotel Maradesh me jofuoyo gi duong' swa thiel mochalo gama kanyo jokwaya ni jome ripere omedi dio chunjo nyaka ng'e jugeni ni kuo fudi nyalo medi rock yuwang'em.
These people are really in their need of more support, and I call upon Caritas and Oxfam continue supporting these people. The support you have given today is a calculation to push them just for 1 month. But I want to tell you, these people are still here for some time. There is need to continue supporting them, bring more support to these people, because these people are really vulnerable. They are in need of food, they are in need of non-food items, and they are in need of basic things of wash and sanitation so that they can rebuild their life again. They also need to also prepare their minds. If you have experts who can offer kind of psychosocial support, it is really welcome.
Obedo kony maber swa aka wafoyo jo swa rupiri kony me obedo kony ma gik piny mamitere tek gik piny machako pecho machako kuodo ko manyien rupiri jome mathoth jurwenyo kis gimoro ma jong'wecho juwe ud pa jokung'wecho gi gimoro jong'wecha nono onyo kony manyalo konyo jo ginyiewo kikopo sabuni grachama me gik piny mathindo ma ot mapecho.
Kuom ji makalo 100 mawachere ni lome uriewo jopiny nwang'ere ni pama nyaka mulambin 36 kende amotio kigolom. Kidhuri lowin mawinen yung'eya me anger mashalin 4 igombla mabula nganyo manwang'ere district mabulambul odong'ie iluro gi koth machieng'no chwe tumiyo lo wuok malo tu umu peshin pajimu pokere kirigindelin chiemo pajo. Gime uwe jima diti ka ishande makakare inwang'rok ni pama jungoe gi kabedo aki achiel maracharasha swa nwang'ere ni jipajo madit otho. Same me jome madit wachere ni jomito kony makakare minyo jokinyale nwang'o. Iloka ng'eyo mochwiny gi One Luo TV, an Jojo Fuono gi Bulambuli.
Ikien kabere madang pero me aduki maliet malagala me pinyo deno ye malir loiti West Nile ilobo Uganda. Man tika teme piani aduki pa bino paloriange le kabere man betike lo per mapol nur lo komien kidong jemo kena chelawai pi. Mano makom district chelawai terego yume kidong madio kolo kama kempo loriange la tiye. Uweko dulma kiluwane mono Oxfam Uganda ka chel kiluiti Gianni Foundation go katika miyokony bot gain kwan teaching me miyonge bodan mekin pachi wek gwa kabir moro mulak ken tiye lo komiyo kode yen kidong bene gwa ko yen kiken mo ken tiye ken magoro liero ka chel kitit kimaj sola ikin mo ken pola tam. Robert Adiga ti West Nile and Kelly report. Malup kelok palodero bino paloria yele West Nile omero pera mana mere district chelawai terego yumbe kidong madio kolo kama kema paloria yele ti yeni. Niwoki dulma kiluni mon Luigi Guisani Foundation dulme Oxfam Uganda okatika neno kitme miyokonyi yupme miyokonyi mwagadek ite yupma kiluni Humanitarian Development and Peace Initiative ite dulme Danita SP2 maglimiti yake bodgamente milobo Denmark. Machalo ya duokine miyo fonye bodan lok malaka me pingi dang bene miyo ngej bodan me kin pachi tika medika reka dok ya rutole gang kwan teaching otime gang kwan in the Technical Institute matima Diokolo District Omugo Technical Institute meterego kidong Lodonga Polytechnic School mati yumbe district makuno fonye loko mapieto yen kitme guakone guak yupo marafali ma tie meterkeloni briquette matmatiu kisola kitme kerne kidong bene gedonyo yupo keno mogo mat guako liero dok tiyo ki yen manok kikien bene mediko men bene tiye pi manok jolo kikom kot tiken timo ken mapol. Egar manywako loka malala me piny madun me Luigi Guisani Foundation yubi Arua City. Kinoni monte alala mapol mteka time kare me lueni ko malala me piny dok wengti akingej brante kanangone kom gai kwan me teaching kilwak magoromo kabir magim. Churchill Kamau Pira mati project officer padul makiluni mon Humanitarian Development and Peace Initiative LFG wani peretekni mono kitiko malala me piny pian man oberudo kore padano juju.
Ask the youth bearers as children, what can we do all together to mitigate climate change? It is the global cry at the moment, the global cry, but when we start it into a context of the West Nile and in particular the 3 districts where we are implementing this project, what can we do at the local level? At your own level, I know many of you have already done a lot of things at your own level.
Sharifa Sukran latin kwani Mario mati kwani inde technical school mati Madiokolo wani mono ng'ich maino itika terne pare kimokene benikin pachi kamani akiyeni tikelu aloga.
Then this organization Climate Justice came and found us there. Then they come and talk about how the good of climate and then how the bad climate is affecting us. And then they start teaching us how to protect our environment. And then how to protect our environment. Then they brought for us tree.
Patrick Drazile won come Climate Justice Club Bilodonga Polytechnic School wani mone woke fone magine oloto alaka katika bino ikabiru maru mugin igankwan wakikin pachi.
Make the stoves, they dried up, but for us we can't take home with those things because they are a bit heavy. So we decided to divide them for the community around, for each home, one like that. So by the time those people realized the importance of the stoves, more people started to come to us that you make for me. Like for me, I am the GP of the school. Mostly they come via me, then I will inform other students. I will tell them someone needs the stove. So now with the first ones we made, we divide them, we give them for free. Now the ones that are ordered, we collect something just a little for shop, you understand? Because
like how much?
Maximum 5K is just enough for student. We make those things, we go and build it there in your home now. We don't build it here at school. You shall go and build everything there at home, we leave it till it dries, then you start using. Just like that.
Pewanluo Television, Robert Adiga ke West Nile. Kakare mena ina lokange mo yup intin yup me lokange ma ochuin kanki Wanluo Television ania Sunday akumo tum chabiti ben mabe metekine no Wanluo TV kiken.